Did you know this? Right now on YouTube, there's a type of video that gets insane views, but very few people are actually doing it the right way. I'm talking about those videos where someone finds an old, forgotten car, covered in dust, rust, and damage, and then slowly brings it back to life. Most people think, man, you need a full garage, expensive tools, and serious mechanical skills for that. But what if I told you, you can make these kinds of videos without owning a car, without a garage, without any mechanical knowledge? All you need is AI and a computer. If you're into AI tools that save time and help you make extra income, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And watch this video until the end because I'll point out one small mistake most people make and it can completely ruin the result. All right, let's jump in. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create a full car restoration style video from scratch. From the moment the car looks like total junk to the moment it looks like it just rolled out of a showroom. The entire process is 100% AI powered, no experience needed. Even if you're a total beginner, you can follow along. I'll be sharing my screen the whole time, walking you through each step so you can copy what I'm doing. The whole process is actually very simple. It's just 4 main steps. Pick a car to be your main character. Use AI to write the scene-by-scene story. Generate short video clips with AI. Put everything together into one complete video. It might sound like a lot at first, but honestly, each step is super beginner friendly. Let's start with picking the car. Good news, you don't need real photos, and you don't need to know much about cars either. You only need to answer one question. What does this car look like before it gets restored? For this video, I'm going with a totally different scenario. A late 1,960 seconds Ford Mustang, forgotten for years inside an old warehouse, covered in dust, peeling paint, spider webs everywhere. Just hearing that already feels like a story, right? You could also choose a vintage sports car, an old family sedan, an abandoned pickup truck, or even a fictional concept car. The key is the strong before and after contrast. All right, now that we have the car story, we move on to the brain of the entire video. This is where we write prompts so AI understands what kind of scenes we want. For this part, I'm using Google AI Studio. When you open Google AI Studio, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a section called System Instruction. Think of this as the place where you teach the AI how to think. Here, I paste a set of instructions so Gemini understands. It's writing for a story-driven video. Each scene needs detailed visual descriptions. The video should have emotion and a clear progression. The prompt looks long, but don't worry, you don't need to understand every line. I've already prepared it for you. Just copy and paste it from the video description. Once the system instruction is set, look at the main text input box. Here, you only need to describe the general idea of the video. For example, Ford Mustang, 1,960 seconds, restoring a forgotten classic muscle car found in an abandoned warehouse. That's it. No need to write anything fancy. Then click send. Now, Gemini starts doing its thing. It will break the video into multiple short scenes, each scene representing a stage of the restoration slash. You'll see the first scene appear. This is a great moment to ask yourself, does this scene feel old enough? Is it dirty enough? Does it have enough drama? If not, just tell the AI something like, make it more dramatic, or add more dust and decay. Once you're happy, type continue. Keep doing this until all scenes are created. After that, Gemini will automatically organize everything. Convert all prompts into optimized JSON format for AI video tools. You don't need to change anything. Just type continue and let it handle the rest. Now comes the fun part, turning text into actual video. There are multiple tools you can use. In this video, I'm using Google Veo 3.1. Here's what I do. Copy the prompt for the first scene, paste it into the video generation box, then click generate more. That's it. Give it a moment, and there it is, a video clip that looks like it was filmed in real life. The lighting, the camera angles, the age, look, all of that comes from a well-written prompt. From here, it's just rinse and repeat. Grab the next scene prompt, generate the video, move on to the next one. Want a longer video? You can duplicate scenes or combine multiple shots. You can also test other AI video tools to create clips longer than 8 seconds if you want. Once you have all your clips, you can do a quick edit, adjust timing, add music, clean things up a bit. That's honestly more than enough to create viral style content. And that's the full process. No real car, no technical skills, no big investment, just the right idea, the right prompts, and a bit of patience. If this video helped you understand how to use AI for content creation, please like the video, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and comment below. Which car would you restore first using AI? And if you found this useful, you can also comment JACKY AI Flow. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Now turn on your computer and start experimenting.